Hello guys, what's up? So this time we're going to promote this server into a domain controller. So first, we're going to check the rules. We have here the ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, the DNS, Dynamic Name Server, Print Services, and Remote Desktop Services. So in the Windows Server 2012 R2, ito po yung rules na need natin i-add. So this time we're going to promote the server into domain controller. So this is only guys a sample configuration. We have here the domain controller to an existing domain. So try natin guys. We have administrator. Then we have also the admin 1234 1234. Check muna natin guys. So domain forest. So it's not working. So try natin gawa tayo guys ng new forest. Gawa tayo ng root. We have here the css.com. Check natin. Deployment configuration. Right after the deployment configuration, we have here the domain controller options, additional options, the path, the review, prerequisite check, installation, and of course, we're going to check the result of this configuration. Maghintay po tayo guys. Kasi medyo matagal yung loading. So we have here in our forest, we have here the Windows Server 2012 R2 specified domain. We're going to check this one. And then of course, we have here the password. So uh, we're going to copy the password, the admin. We're going to check the password. We're going to add admin 1234 admin 1234. Okay. So, a delegation from the DNS server cannot be created because an authoritative reason cannot be found. Okay, so we're going to check this next. Verifying the net BIOS, the basic input-output system, assigned to the domain, or you can change it if it is necessary. Okay, next. So, I have here the EDDS database, the log files, and the SYS ball. Okay, next lang natin guys. Okay, check natin sa baba. So, we have here configure this server as the first Active Directory domain controller in the new forest. So our new domain is css.com. It is also name of our forest. Take note guys ha, our new domain is css.com. At the same time, that is the name of the new forest. The BIOS name of domain is the CSS. We have the Windows Server 2012 R2. Catalog yes, DNS server yes. Okay, then we're going to hit the next. Check. So we're going to check the rules. We have here the DDS, DHCP, DNS, file services, print services, and remote services. Okay, so maghintay po tayo sa loading guys. Kasi medyo matagal ang loading. Okay. So we check out the result. So it is still okay. So all the prerequisite checks passed successfully. This time we're going to install. Click install to begin the installation. Okay, we have here. Okay, check. If you install a server automatically, it will reboot the server at the end of this promotion operation. Okay, we're going to install this one. So that is the steps in promoting the server in the domain controller. Okay, so Sana guys, marami kayong natutunan. Thank you.